Hey everyone! In this part of the video, I'm going to show you how to install the Google Play Store directly on Windows 11 so you can run Android apps natively without needing BlueStacks or any other emulator. This method gives you better performance than an emulator, but it does require enabling a few developer and virtualization settings. Before you begin, make sure to back up your system, just in case you want to revert anything. Start by opening your Windows settings. On the left side, open the System tab and scroll until you see For Developers. Turn on Developer Mode. You get a pop-up asking for confirmation, just hit Yes and close the window. Next, press the Windows key and R on your keyboard to open the Run box. Type Optional, Features, and press Enter. A window will open showing Windows optional features. Look for Virtual Machine Platform and Windows Hypervisor Platform and enable them. Once you click OK, Windows will ask to restart your PC, but don't restart yet. When you're ready to restart, do it, but while the computer is rebooting, press the key that opens BIOS Setup. This key depends on your device. It's usually Escape, F2, Delete, or F10. Inside the BIOS, look for Virtualization or Virtualization Technology under the Advanced Settings. Make sure it is enabled, then save and exit. Now let your computer restart normally back into Windows. Once you're back in Windows, you need to remove the default Android environment that Microsoft includes because we're going to replace it. For most users, this will show up as the Amazon App Store. Search for it in your installed apps and uninstall it. Now you'll download a modified version of the Windows Subsystem for Android, often referred to as the custom WSA build with the Google Play Store already integrated. This build is available from a well-known community developer known as MasterChef on GitHub. Open the repository and download the latest release in the Asset section. After the download finishes, extract the zip folder. Then open the folder, right-click inside the empty space, and choose Open in Terminal. When the terminal window opens, run this command, PowerShell.exe-execution policy bypass-file./install.ps1. If the system asks for administrative permission, confirm it. If the script asks you to approve installation steps, press A or Y to accept. The installer will now set up the new Windows Subsystem for Android, along with the Google Play Store support. When it finishes, the WSA window may open automatically. If it doesn't, just search Windows Subsystem for Android in your Start menu and open it. Inside, you'll see a basic Android interface. Open the Google Play Store, sign in with your Google account, and you're ready to start installing apps just like you would on a phone. Once installed, apps will appear directly in your Windows Start menu. Clicking on one will automatically launch the Android subsystem in the background and run the app like it's native software. That's how you get the full Google Play Store on Windows 11 running smoothly and without needing an emulator.